The second disease that can be due to the hyperadrenalism is the hyperaldosteronism. Now, as I told you that this hyperaldosteronism means the high level of the aldosterone in the body. Now, aldosterone is another very important enzyme that is released by the adrenal cortex. Now, whenever there is the high level of the aldosterone, all the functions that are performed by the aldosterone normally in the body, they will be exaggerated. There will be the exaggerated response because of the high level of aldosterone. Now, you know that this aldosterone is involved in the sodium water retention, and also it is involved in the when activation of the renin-angiotensin system. That is then in turn it is involved in the regulation of the blood pressure. So anyone who is suffering from this hyperaldosteronism may suffer from the blood pressure problem, may suffer from the kidney problem as well. All the functions that are regulated by the aldosterone hormones, they will be disturbed in turn because of the high level of the aldosterone inside the body.